Sani, Kimyo Sani, Annyeonghaseyo, Kamsahamnida for the milk tea.
위 파랑님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Masuk sa lulu. Masuk sa lulu. Mana? Mana ka na ito? Uli ang kuhaan niya para mahatagan pa mo ba?
Hey Johnny, 감사합니다.
Kaon na mo, kaon na. Riyog.
Attention.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Okay, class. Today we will memorize our story entitled The Clever Plan. Okay, kinsay ganahan mo volunteers mabasa. Okay, let's hear it from Eliza. Okay.
The Clever Plan. One day, a boy named Sunny came to a garden full of apple trees, but there was the guard guarding the tree. So he thought of a plan. He went to the guard and asked him to play with him. The guard agreed. Sunny drew a circle around the guard and told him that if he stepped out, he would have to pay a penalty. The guard stood inside the circle in the meantime. Sunny climbed up a tree and plucked many fruits. The guard saw it all could do nothing. Soon, Sunny
Okay, enough lad.
fled.
Okay, class, enough lad.
Fled!
Okay, very good. Now, question. Tanan na to kinsay na minaw. Rachel. What is the name of the boy?
Sunny.
Very good. Next, Jivon. Who was guarding the tree?
The guard.
Wow, very good.